Hi everyone, today we will discuss slick back hair products set with hair wax stick 2.7 ounce pack of 1PC's edge brush, 1PC's testing brush, 1PC's rat tail comb, great for working with hair. That is perfect for edge flyaway hair, baby hair, soft and fine hair. Healthy and gentle, hair wax stick is a milky white solid purely plant-based ingredient containing castor oil, beeswax, avocado oil and vitamin E. It is healthy and gentle, leaving hair smooth and silky. Multi-purpose hair wax for soft styling of men's short, relaxed or natural hair to enhance the effect of flowing and spiky hairstyles. Helps blend hair together when styling natural hair braids and or wig twists. Can also be used to smooth flyaways and frizz at the hairline and nape of the neck. Styling accessories for girls and kids. Hair wax sticks are a must-have for deft bun hairstyles, perfect for French twists, crown twisters, loose braids, ponytails. Perfect combination slick back hair stick and hairbrush set is great for controlling, taming frizzy edges, flyaway baby hair, stray hair, soft fine hair, and can also be used for braided weaves. Or ballet hairstyles. If you like video, please make sure subscribe this channel for more updated informative videos.